Ever wondered what separates those who merely dream from those who achieve? Join me on a journey to uncover the secret to reaching any goal swiftly and surely. Picture this: you have a dream, a goal you're determined to achieve. But somehow, it feels out of reach, like trying to catch a shooting star. Why is it that some people effortlessly turn their dreams into reality, while others struggle? Let me share a secret with you. The key to achieving any goal fast lies not just in hard work, but in a shift in perspective. Consider this: when facing a challenge, do you see it as an insurmountable mountain or a conquerable hill? The first step to rapid success is to see your goal not as a distant peak, but as a stepping stone within arm's reach. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already achieving your goal. Feel the excitement, the joy, the satisfaction. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a powerful tool known as visualization. By visualizing success, you align your subconscious mind with your desires, paving the way for swift manifestation. But visualization alone won't get you there. You must pair it with relentless action. Take consistent, purposeful steps towards your goal every day. Remember, every small step forward brings you closer to your destination. Stay committed, stay focused, and watch as the universe conspires to make your dreams a reality. Now, imagine waking up one day to find that what once seemed impossible is now your reality. That's the power of belief, of unwavering faith in yourself and your dreams. Dare to dream big, believe in yourself, and take inspired action. Your goals are not distant dreams, they're within your grasp, waiting for you to claim them. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, greatness awaits those who dare to dream and take action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep achieving.